This vlog is gonna start on a slightly serious note. You guys are my family. I always say you are my virtual family, and I haven't shared this with you for the past 9-10 months. But I do feel like I need your help now, and so I'm sharing this with you. A very, very close friend of ours has been fighting for his life with a serious health crisis since Jan end. He had to fly to America in the middle of the pandemic around June and is in a critical condition, in a not very condition. I just wanted to come on here at some point, and so I'm doing it now, and ask you guys to say a prayer for him, to say a prayer for his health, for his safety, for his recovery. I know I'm not giving much, his name, who he is. You've seen him in my vlogs for sure. I want to preserve the privacy of him and his family, but I also need you to say a little prayer for him tonight before you go to bed or after you watch this video, because he's fighting for his life, and it would mean the world to me if you guys could just send some good vibes his way and ask the Almighty above, whichever God you believe in and prefer to pray to help him recover. It's been a tough 2020 for a lot of us, but I think it's been extremely tough on him. I had a call with his wife this morning and the updates don't sound good. So since I was vlogging today, thought I would take your help. I promise the rest of the vlog will not be sad. I'm gonna take some time before I actually start it, but I need your help. Hi guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I'm doing this a little bit late. It's 12:40 p.m. Nashta ho chuka hai. I'm still in Chashme Badur mode. I don't feel like wearing my contacts today because I'm not really like filming anything. I also did not wake up for gym, like for workout, which sucks. Basically, I slept through my alarm, just in a nutshell. Before you guys ask me, let me quickly show you my outfit of the day. This is the outfit of the day. Jerry looks at me half in his sleep and says, "Babe, why are you playing holy?" And I'm like, because I want to do you a favor. Get it? Get it? Did you get the joke? Comment and tell me if you got the joke, okay? Oh, and I almost forgot to mention where it's from. It's from urbanic.com. Okay, I'm in my living room. I'm sitting with my laptop. Update on yesterday's situation about the GoPro. Still trying to figure this out, about to write to GoPro because I'm not affiliated with them. I always buy all of my GoPro products. Just trying to write to them and figure out how it can be resolved. They gave me a replacement of the GoPro, of my GoPro that was not working. So I basically bought my GoPro in June 2019 and something happened to it in the middle. They sent me a replacement and now this replacement is not working. Trying to figure it out. Buddy, you're leaving at 3 a.m. tonight. He's going to Nasik for his shoot. Tonight, tomorrow morning, 3 a.m. Same thing. This is not up for debate, which is why I'm putting it in the vlog so you don't fight with me while the camera is rolling. But there will be a couple of food dabbas going into your bag.
No.
You have to carry snacks. You're going to be gone for 1. If it rains, maybe 2 days you'll be gone. This is not up for debate.
They are food bubbles.
I know, but for the road trip from Bombay to Nasik, I'm putting just some food dabbas and your favorite Good Day biscuits and all. Just
From
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I'm in the bedroom. I'm all prepped. We're about to do what I've been meaning to do since Monday. On Monday, I shot a vlog and I told you guys in that vlog that I actually wanted to call my followers. Us din electricity chali gayi thi pure Bombay mein. So today we're going to do just that. I've already selected about 7 follower names and I have their numbers. Just so you know, I've done this before. I'm calling Dhwani right now, my assistant who will be patching them in to call me. I basically have a bunch of your... Hi Dhwani!
Hi.
Okay, one sec. I'm just telling them how I have their numbers. So basically, in case you haven't seen that earlier video, I have your numbers because a bunch of you have ordered things from Wardrobe or have been contest winners. The names I've actually selected today are people I'm so used to seeing in the comment section and are also members of the very exclusive and very cool Facebook group Wear Fam. And you guys have given me your numbers, so I am calling you. Dhwani, I'm as usual nervous again because I'm like, what if they're busy? What if they don't want to talk to me right now? What if they have more important things going on in their lives?
I'm sure they'll be happy to see your call.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I look like a complete mess, but I'm really excited on the inside. So, Dhwani, I've given you 7 names. Should we call Inderjeet first? I'm very excited to congratulate her on the phone.
Yes, I'll do that.
Okay, awesome. Context for you, Inderjeet is someone who has been following me for so long. I've met her at, I think, 3 of my meet and greets. And she recently delivered a baby boy very close to my house because I talked to her on DMs and stuff. And they've named their little angel Manveer. I'm so excited to talk to her.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, Dhwani.
Hi, Inderjeet!
Hi. Is it Anna?
Yes! How are you?
I am good. How are you? What is
I'm
this?
good.
Surprise.
Yay, I'm so glad it's a surprise. Well, I wanted to call up my followers and you were the first person on my list because I wanted to congratulate you for Manveer.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anna.
I'm so happy for you. I remember, okay, so I'm also vlogging today. So to give everyone context, Inderjeet told me she was pregnant before she told anyone else, which made me feel so special. I was so excited. I get really happy with babies around Inderjeet. And you have an older one also, na?
Yes, yeah, 8-year-old one.
And what's his name? Tell us.
His name is Darsmi.
Vlogging today. I've been doing daily vlogs and I was like, I have to call and congratulate Inderjeet for the new baby.
You made my day, Anna.
You made my day by answering and by being the first one I'm calling today. You know, I've done this before and I'm always nervous that I'm disturbing someone. In your case, I was still very nervous because like you've just had a baby and I'm calling you like barely a couple of weeks in. But I'm happy I got to speak to you.
Yeah, I've seen your vlog where you've called your blogger, your followers, and they have picked your phone, and you were quite nervous. I could see that nervousness in your video.
Oh, because I feel like I don't want to invade into someone's like space.
You can invade into me.
You are too sweet. Thank you. I hope I get to meet you soon and everyone else also.
Yeah.
Please
To
stay
your
safe,
webcam
yeah.
only.
Take
Give my
care.
love to your cat and Jerry.
Thank you. I will.
Now I'm calling Tejvi call.
Yes, I'm always seeing Tejpreet's comments. She was the second name I had on my list. Can you give me 1 second, Tony? I want to change my camera angle.
Yeah. तुम्ही क्या व्यक्तीशी बोलत आहात? त्याने Hello, she's not picking up. So should I call Falguni Tejpal?
Yes, let's call the next person. Because Tejpreet didn't answer, we're going to call Falguni.
Not picking up.
Oh my god, that's the second person in a row who's not picking up. See, this is why I get nervous. We're disturbing people. ठीक है, अगले वाले को phone करो. Who's next on the list I gave you?
Sonam Netani.
Sonam Netani. Okay, also someone I picked up from very regular comments.
Hello.
Hello?
Huh?
Hi, is that Sonam?
Yes.
Hi, it's Anam.
My God.
Hi, how are you? I hope it's okay that I'm calling you randomly in the middle of the day.
I'm so shocked. Hi, how are you?
Please don't be shocked. It's me. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I was just watching your vlog.
I'm so happy you were. I'm trying to do daily vlogs. I'm reading all the comments.
And I'm loving it.
Thank you. How are you and what are you doing?
I have to prepare for my exam. ये final they are getting postponing again and again. I don't know when it will happen. Pehले it was 1st of November. I'm just confused like whether to chill or study.
Please study. Please study. Don't chill. Work hard. There will be a reward for it. I promise.
Study.
Jerry's good. Jerry is very good. He's busy working in the living room right now, but he's good.
I just love both of you guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We love the love that we get from you. It makes our day.
Thank you so much for calling, Anna.
Thank you so
really
much.
made my day. It was my birthday. on
What?
15th.
Yesterday, day before yesterday was your birthday.
Yes.
Oh my god, belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much. You just made my, you made my year.
How sweet. No, sending you lots of tight hugs right about now.
Thank you so much.
How sweet. It was her birthday a couple of days ago.
What a coincidence. Great. You must be damn happy.
We should start adding their birthdays also in our database so I can call people and wish them on their birthday.
Yeah, we should.
Or send something. Julie Vaidya lives in Chennai. And sent a meet and greet once at an event in Chennai.
Hello.
Hi Julie. Hello. Julie, this is Anam from Bombay. Hello. Hello. I muted myself. Silly me. Hello.
She went.
I kept myself on mute by mistake. I'm so stupid. Oof. I kept myself on mute because I was coughing in the middle. Oh god, I feel so dumb. Can you try her again, please? I'm so stupid. She must have been wondering why someone's giving her blank calls.
Hello.
Hi Julie, this is Anam.
Anam.
Hi.
Really?
I'm so sorry. I accidentally muted myself when I called earlier, which is why you probably couldn't hear me. I'm so silly.
Oh my god.
Hi.
I'm freaking here.
How are you?
I'm so good, Anam.
So I had your number and I'm vlogging today and I thought it would be lovely to call a bunch of you in this vlog, like just like 4 or 5 of you who I feel like I know personally because I keep like I've either met you or I read your comments regularly. So I thought I would just kind of pop in and say hello to you.
Thank you so much, Anam. I'm really surprised.
Yay! I'm happy that you're surprised and not like shocked or angry that I called you in the middle of the day.
I'll be angry.
How are
Actually,
you?
2 days before my birthday, I thought I should tell you that I'd like to get a wish from you. But
Oh my God!
I got this.
Happy belated birthday!
Thank you so much.
I just spoke to someone before you whose birthday it also was day before yesterday. So this is amazing. This is turning out to be a birthday
Oh my
set of
God.
calls. This is
You're just good at making people's day.
no, you're so kind. What did you do on your birthday?
Let me know if you're coming to Chennai, okay? You promised me that you will come to my home.
I promise I will let you know when I'm coming to Chennai. I don't even know when it's going to be, but I promise I will
Okay.
let you know when I'm coming to Chennai. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye. Hello.
Second birthday call. Wow.
She recognized you in a second, like literally when she said her name and called, said hi, she recognized you within a second.
She's been following me for very long and she's lovely. I've met her twice. I feel like you guys are literally like family, right? Because you're virtual family, and then when I meet you, it's like I get to see you and hug you and be like, now I know who you are because I'm only used to seeing your names otherwise. That is so nice.
Getting a contact from Falguni, should we call her?
Oh, yeah. Then let's do that. If she's calling back, yeah, for sure. Okay, we have one more call.
Hello?
Hi, is that Falguni?
Yes.
Hi, it's me. How did you know it was me?
Because you called from this number earlier, I checked it on Truecaller. It said Dhwani, so I knew that Dhwani is your manager.
Oh my god! That is so smart, you smarty pants. How are you?
I'm great. Actually, I was panicking because I couldn't take the call, the previous call. So I was messaging you, please call back.
Oh my god, of course we would call you back. And you smarty pants decoded it before like I could say that it's Anam. What is this? Where's my surprise element?
I gave you a surprise back.
Yeah, you give me a surprise. How are you? How's your Friday going?
Yeah, I'm done with my exams. I just want to relax. Have like time, watch Netflix, and like relax all day. You know, I'm like, I really go back to your wedding videos. Please, I mean, like they are so awesome. I can't tell you.
Thank you. That is so sweet. Thank you so much.
If somebody is having a function, I just send you a video. Like, please look at that. It should be this grand and this.
How nice. My wedding was actually really intimate. It wasn't grand, like there weren't like 1,000 people. It was all 200, 250 people or 400 people at my reception. For Indian wedding standards, it was not grand.
That happy vibe in those videos is just
Thank you.
so pure.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much.
I think I've mentioned this before, but that AK thing for the concealer and that dark circles, I also have a problem like yours, the dark circles on. And I'm so happy with the trick you gave.
Yay! That's so nice. I'm always happy to know you guys are finding the content like informational, helpful, but also entertaining. That's my goal in life.
Yeah, exactly. It's helpful, but challenges makes it entertaining. This has made it more like exciting, and like I'm so happy to talk to you right now. And
What a smarty she was. She true collared your number and put Dhwani to Anam.
I'm just surprised like how people remember things.
I'm very impressed with you guys, man. Like you stitch things together like this. Thank you, Dhwani, for patching them in.
No problem.
So if you guys ever get a Truecaller notification from Dhwani Shethia calling, I'm calling, please bookmark it and keep. I'm so happy. We managed to speak to almost everyone. Only Tejpreet didn't answer. But I'm so happy that I get to do this. I'm so happy that I also get to hear your voice. When I tell you guys that you guys feel like family to me, I'm not shitting around. I genuinely mean it. Like, I'm so blessed to have you all in my life, man. Alhamdulillah. Really, like, it just feels so good to know. Thank you. I don't even know what else to say. This is like the least I can do. If you haven't joined that Facebook group already, do that, because that's where I kind of like keep in touch, share more stuff, and call you guys also now. And there will be some more other events that I'm planning to do online, especially for people on that group. Jerry, I just finished my calls.
Oh, nice.
Oops, almost fell from the charger. I finished my calls and a couple of them asked me to give you love and say hi.
So sweet. Thank you.
I always feel so happy doing this and talking to them.
I know.
Makes me all warm and mushy and gooey. Okay guys, I am going to call it a day with this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Today's Wear Fam comment shout out goes to Nikhat Hanif. Tell me in the comments if you guys are enjoying all of these daily vlogs so I can keep them coming if you genuinely are enjoying them. Talk to me down below in the comments, and please hit like on this video if you are enjoying the content. It helps make my videos and my channel more discoverable when you do that. I love you all so much. Please make sure your bell notifications are switched on so that you get alerts for all of my upcoming videos. And if you have not yet joined the subscriber family, you're on the end card, so make sure you do join it. It would mean a lot to me to have you guys officially part of the Wear Fam. Mwah. I love you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye.